Will AI destroy humanity? This question may sound dramatic, but today many scientists and leaders are asking this seriously. There is a truth about technology that many people do not talk about. AI is not just another invention. It may change human history. Today, we will calmly explore if AI is a danger or a benefit for humanity.
In the past, technology helped our bodies. Rickshaws became cars. Cars became trains. Trains and airplanes helped us travel faster. Machines did heavy work that once needed many people. Life became easier. But one thing was never replaced: human intelligence. Humans were always superior because we could think. Our intelligence placed us at the top of the world. We plan, create, and solve problems. This is what made humans special. Then, calculators arrived. For the first time, a machine was better than humans at math. Calculators were faster and more accurate. But people were not worried. They thought, not everyone needs advanced math. So we ignored this sign. In 1997, a computer beat the world chess champion. People were shocked. But chess is a game of logic. Machines are very good at logic. So this was not the end. It was just the start. We believed language was safe. Language has emotions. Tone changes meaning. The same words can mean different things. We thought machines could never understand language. But we were wrong. Years ago, machine translation was poor. But AI improved quickly. Today, AI can translate as well as humans in many cases. Only creative writing is still better by humans. But even this may change soon. Large language models changed everything. Now AI can write, research, code, and even create art. In the last 2 years, AI has improved very fast. The limits are disappearing. AI needs computing power. Stronger chips mean smarter AI. Countries are competing to build faster computers. Whoever controls computing power may shape the future. Quantum computing is the next step. Some new systems can solve problems much faster than normal computers. This is not science fiction. It is becoming real. And this is only the beginning. AI can help humanity. Medical research can become faster. Diseases like cancer may be easier to treat. Medicine can be personalized for each person. Education can improve. Each child may have an AI teacher. AI can make the world better. But here is the big question. If machines become smarter than humans, what will happen to us? Will humans still be superior? The honest answer is, we are not sure. AGI means machines that think like humans. ASI means machines smarter than all humans combined. Some experts say this may happen soon. Others say it will take longer, but it may happen one day. Our last strength may be emotions, empathy, feelings, and consciousness. These are deeply human, but even these are being studied by scientists. AI will not decide the future of humanity. Humans will. Technology is a tool. If we use it wisely, it can help us. If we misuse it, it can harm us. The real question is not, will AI destroy humanity? The real question is, what kind of future do we want to build? The choice is ours.